We cut out the floor pan here. There's a patch there. Cut that shit out. Found a whole load of great rust. Cut out this piece of the floor pan because it was also epoxied in. That's all the shit we cut out. Started getting that back down to good metal. And then come under here and you can see here the structural frame. And actually the structural piece and the bottom pan are two different pieces, which is good. It means it's gonna be easier to replace. But it's just gonna cost a fuckload of money. Fuck. Alright, so this piece here is the bottom of the floor pan that went up under against that. Now, I think this means that this is going to be salvageable, but I'm not sure. We'll grind it out. We're going to see how it looks. Alright, I hope I can be heard. All this was taken from the right side floor pan. Let's see, let's get an inside view. So now you can see the new floor pan dry fitted. It's all this here, and this here, and this line here. Stupid hand move. This line here, and come around. And there it is, completely dry fitted. It's a little wonky, but shit, this entire thing's fucking wonky. But there it is. Floor pan's dry fitted, at least the right side anyway. So this frame rail here used to be this shape here. However, due to rust, I had to cut out a bunch of it. But who needs an old frame rail when I can just make a fucking new one? Huh? How about that? Alright, so today was just a paint stripping day. We got a lot of the interior done. Got paint stripper on it, covered by plastic. I'm gonna come take it off about 24 hours from now. You know, classic paint strip, plastic, nastiness. I got, there's a view from the underside, I got this wheel well all covered in stripper. And then I got this here all painted over with some rust reformer just for future. Tried to get it further in there, although the camera doesn't pick it up. And I got some more up here on the front. Right there in the engine bay. And then this floor is next, ideally in a couple weeks after this frame rail is sistered and this floor is cut to size and put up and repaired.